How to fix error printing message on Windows 10 and Windows 11 computers. In this video I will show you two solutions. It will fix your problem. If printer troubleshoot not works, then do the following steps. In Start, type Fix Printer. Click on Find and Fix Problem with Printer.
Now try again and your problem should be fixed.
If that didn't work,
Open Services. Locate printer spooler service and stop the service. Now open Run, and copy-paste the path that you find in the description of this video. Delete all the content located in Printers folder. After deleting, start the printer spooler service in Services.
Now try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.